Redistricting is in the hands of Virginia voters for now. The Virginia Supreme Court decided April's redistricting referendum can move forward as planned. Tyler Englander has reaction from both parties and Governor Abigail Spanberger.
The court says Virginians can vote on April 21st on whether to allow Democrats to move forward with their redistricting efforts, while the court decides if those efforts are legal in the first place. The Virginia Supreme Court says April's redistricting referendum can proceed as planned.
I think the Virginia Supreme Court made the right choice, made the right decision.
We've got to win the referendum and we've got to win in court.
That means that voters will decide in April whether to give Democrats the power to implement their new proposed congressional map meant to increase the number of Democrats in Virginia's congressional delegation. Governor Abigail Spanberger saying the court's decision is important so voters know when exactly they can cast their ballot.
I am focused on having clarity for us to be able to communicate to people. It's not necessarily an emotional issue for me.
Meanwhile, both Democratic House Speaker Don Scott and Republican House Minority Leader Terry Kilgore say they're confident their sides will win in court, but admit for now redistricting is in the hands of Virginia voters.
The Supreme Court basically said what we've said all along, which is that Virginia voters will and should have the final say in redistricting in Virginia.
We're going to make the case to Virginians that this is unfair, this is unprecedented, and quite frankly, it's against the law.
The timeline set out by the court means that any ruling on the merits of the case will likely come after the referendum is over. If voters approve of the referendum, that decision will decide the outcome of redistricting in the Commonwealth. At the state capitol, I'm Tyler Englander.